Again, I think for many that the negative coefficient on the leading term, which is negative, should be factored. So I'm going to write this as equal minus, and let me write this down now, 121 a4 m squared, that's a perfect square by the way, plus 220 a squared b squared mn plus 100 b4 n squared. Again, the hope is you recognize that these things are in fact perfect squares. That's 11 a squared m plus 10 b squared n, quantity squared. I want to check it though. And someone says, why do you check these things? Just to make sure. So it'd be minus, well, 11 is 121. And then you would get a4 m squared. And then what are you going to get? You can get 110 down twice, which is 220. And let's put the variable part of it down now. So it's going to be a squared. I like to write in alphabetical order, by the way. A squared, b squared, mn. Plus 100 b4 n squared. And if you did the minus sign across that, well, you get this, right? Minus 121 a4 m squared. Whoops, I made a mistake. And I didn't realize it, so I got to correct it. And someone says, how do you know you made a mistake? I know I made a mistake because I checked it. And that's really important that you start to check things. So what I want to do is I'm going to erase all my work because I made an error. All right, so what I want to do is I want to do it again. All right, so maybe I wasn't looking or paying attention, but I'm factoring a minus. You get 121 a4 m squared minus 120 a squared b squared mn plus 100 b4 n squared. Again, I'm recognizing a perfect square. And what do you get there? Well, 11 a squared m. Now it's minus 10 b squared n squared. Well, again, I want to check it. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't put the square there. I want to check it to make sure it's right. Let's put this down like I did before. 11 squared 121. Let's see, that would be a4 m squared. Well, let's see what you get. Minus 110, minus 110, minus 220. And I like to put things in alphabetical order. So a squared. You know what? I made another mistake. I got to correct it now. I just noticed it. It's that. Shouldn't be that. Right? Sorry about that. But I'm checking. I really am checking. And I'm glad I looked. And let's see what I got. I lost track of what I was saying. Oh, a squared, b squared, mn. Last but not least, when I square that minus 10, it's 100. And then I get b4 n squared. And again, I'm certainly want to look term by term. I'm certainly getting this one. I'm certainly getting this one. And I'm certainly getting this one. Just a good answer. I want to look in the answer key and make sure they have that as well. And they do. Same answer. All right? Same exact answer. All right. Thank you.